Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel ServiceNow by Veda Technologies. So in this playlist, we are clearly understanding the type of fields and how do we creating the table and how do we creating the fields and also how are we creating the application and modules. So in the last video, we had discussed the topic related to auto number, how do you generate the auto number and choices. So in this video, based on our application, feedback related management, I will try to create few more choices, and also I will try to create the list and Boolean field and date. Okay, let's try to look into these topics very quickly. Okay, if you are new to this channel, subscribe it and share it with your friends. If you wanted to be attend the live sessions, feel free to contact us on below mentioned number. Okay, let's see. So quickly I will go to my instance. Okay, I will go to my instance. So this is the form till now which I have been developed. Okay, so now I wanted to add two more fields. How can I do it? I will go to configure and dictionary. Okay, next these many fields which have been added, I will say new. The moment when I say new, okay, sys underscore dictionary is the table, okay, where it is holding the field related information. Now here I will be selecting, let's say uh, list, for example. So how can I select? I will go next page. Here let's see list. Do you see anywhere list here? So let's select the list. So type is list and column name I am giving something as, okay, uh, supporters something, okay, for our supporters, because here I wanted to be select who is supporting to this feedback. Okay, for example, for now I am giving length. Okay, for giving I am length something as just 50. Okay, fine. So here I had selected the list, na? Okay, I am not selecting anything. Okay, just save it. Save it. Now go to our form. Go to our form. Let's duplicate it. Okay, go to our form. Dot. See here, supporters which are selected. Okay, it has selected, but how it can be taking the values. So here choice is there, choice is now, but supporters should be selecting from one of the table. So how can I select it? See here, reference specification. Okay, here reference specification. Here I will be selecting the users, sys underscore user. If not, so user table I am selecting here and update it. Okay, see here, I can be able to select it from the users. I can select multiple users. I can be able to select multiple users. So the list, once I had added, okay, once I have added the things, I can log it. That's it. This is how you can be able to use the list. So if I wanted to add more, I can unlock it. Okay, I can be click on it, where it will be navigate to the user table. From the user table, I will be selecting the users and lock it. That's it. So this is how the list works. So in the same way, let's see, okay, let's see other table also. For that, how can I do it, ma? So I can go to dictionary, okay. I will say new, okay. I will try to select the type is date something when the feedback is submitting something or when you have taken the product. Date. See, date. So can we select date and time also? Okay. Product to purchase date. I am saying something to purchase. Okay. Fine. Now I will submit it. So the moment I had submitted, okay, you just see here how the form looks like. How it is now. Product is also date form also date field also checked out. But now I don't want to take it. I wanted to take date and time. How can I take it? You can change it here itself or you can be added from here. Go to configure, dictionary, leave it, say new, okay, and select date and time. Where it is now? Date and time. Date and time. I can select it. Okay, something I am selecting. Uh, Purchase date time. Okay, let's submit it. See how it is looks like. You can check it out. Dot. So why we are opening from here? Because we are not created any application and modules. For now I am selecting from here. See here, automatically it gets selected. Okay, date and time. Here it's only date. So that is the difference between date and time and date. Okay, now what we can see, I can go to dictionary, true and false. Let's see, Boolean. Okay, say new. Okay, I will say product. Uh, we can you can select anything, but now I am selecting field type is Boolean. Boolean. Boolean is nothing but true or false. Okay, true or false. Do you see anywhere? Let's come back. What? Long color string name floating UTC duration is there and true or false. Okay, I'll say product uh, fit or not. Okay, let's see. So let's save it, upload it, or I will be going to here. From here I will go to farm again. So now product fit or not also it has came with instead of the check boxes. Okay, you can be added anything. Okay, field type based on your requirement you can be able to add. For now I had shown you, reference field type, reference type also I will show you. Okay, let's assume I wanted to add some field that is very important, reference field. Okay, you can type reference something, then you will get it. Column name I am selecting, call or something I am selecting. Okay, and submit it. Before submitting, you don't need to submit it. Here you need to select what it should be referred to. Okay, what it should be referred to. I will say users table, because user is the table where it can be having all the information. From here I can select the people. Okay, from here also you can be able to filter. Okay, what users you need to select. For now I will choose, okay, I will choose let's take up user id, not user id. Active is equals to true only. So users will be selected, okay, which are related to true, means which are having true status. See here, I click from here, I see only 664 from here. Okay, from here I will try to see. This is also reference. Inside the reference I will be selecting. Here I would see 625. 624 are there. Here 625. Because of why I see them? Because one of the user is not true. Okay, you can check it out. One of the user is not true. Okay, you can go to the sys underscore user underscore table, underscore user. Okay, see here, these are all the users. You just see how many users are inactive. Okay, active, active is false. So how many users are false? Only one user. So that is why it is showing 625 for one of the field. The other field it is something different. Now you understand why it is showing here 624 and here 625. So you can be able to filter from the reference also. That is the next topic, that is related to reference qualifier. Okay. So now we had created string, we had created integer field. Okay, and string is done, and next email is done, that is string. This is also integer. This is string, this is string, this is choices. Okay, this is auto number where it will be generated. This is auto number, and feedback number is string, something like this is the list type. Okay, next this is the date, and this is date and time, and next true or false also we had seen, and reference field also we had seen. So I think I had covered most of the fields. You can check it from your end, the different kind of fields in the dictionary table. Okay, inside the dictionary how many fields are there. Okay, in the next video I will come up with the topic related to form view and form design. That is also important topics, ma. You can check it out. Okay, thank you so much for your time. Subscribe and share it with your friends.